Midnight. Rain poured relentlessly. In the darkness, a gang moved like shadows, the notorious group Chaddi gang whose name sent shivers down the police ranks. Faces covered, plans foolproof, disappearing without leaving a trace. That night's target, the house of a police officer, rocked. By morning, newspaper headlines roared. Even police officers are not safe in their own homes. In the senior officers' meeting hall, many stood with clenched fists. But only two were different: Inspector Aditya and Inspector Ananya. Both were batchmates, friends since training days, silently nurturing love in their hearts but never confessing it. Though fear lingered in Ananya's heart, her eyes burned with determination as she said, "Aditya, we must drag their shadows into the light." Aditya smiled in return. "As long as we find a clue, it's enough. No matter how powerful this gang is, if we stand together, how long can they really escape?" A drop of blood, a clue of love. In one robbery, the game turned. While fleeing, one gang member's hand was injured by Leech. A single drop of blood fell to the ground. Aditya looked dead Leech from ground, then at Ananya, smiling. "This drop is the turning point of our story. Do you see? The fire in your eyes is what gives me strength." Ananya's cheeks flushed red, but in that moment, duty outweighed love. The forensic report revealed the truth. The blood was indeed from the one gang member was matched. They got to know the report robbers gang members belongs to empty state. The case a battle of love. For months, the two followed the gang in disguises. Ananya posed as a tea shop owner, Aditya as a truck driver. Every step was filled with danger, every glance carried unspoken fear. One night, they got a tips that robbers used thrift bike, which they throwed to riverside. Police started chasing them when the gang suspected them and started tailing. It rained on the lonely road. Aditya grabbed her hand and whispered, "Losing you would hurt me more than taking a bullet." Tears mixed with a faint smile on Ananya's face. At that moment, their hearts spoke the same words: "Let us live together in our duty, or die together in it." The trap, a test of life and death. At last, one night, the gang's underground hideout was discovered. The police trap was set. A false message about an arms shipment was deliberately leaked to the gang. "This time, it will look like we're the ones trapped, but the ones falling into the snare will be them." Aditya's eyes sparkled with fire. Gunshots thundered in the rainlit city. A fierce chase, hand-to-hand fights, high-voltage rooftop duels. One by one, the gang members fell. Finally, only the leader remained. Laughing mockingly, he shouted, "Police always follow us from behind, they never come face to face." At that moment, as Aditya tackled him to the ground, Ananya's fearless gaze gave him strength. He replied, "If thieves hide in shadows, we trap them in the light." And with that, the leader was captured. Confession of love, a message to society. The police regained their honor. Citizens rejoiced, newspapers celebrated the victory. That evening, in the quiet police camp, raindrops tapping on the window, Aditya looked into Ananya's eyes and said, "You know what life is? Just like this drop of blood helped catch the thief, my love for you has brought color to my world. Ananya, you are the clue to my life." Tears fell from her eyes, but they were not of sorrow, they were of joy. She nodded silently. Moral of story: Ananya and Aditya, not only as lovers, but as dutiful police officers, sent a message to society. When love and duty walk hand in hand, no matter how strong the darkness is, it can never block the light. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe channel for more thrilling legal and business management stories.